you definitely want to check out this Cedarcide Original. Now, what's cool about this is that I've used this and the other different scents on camping when we go out to outdoor sporting events and outdoor concerts, and my family and I love it. Now, it's easy to apply. Just basically spray it on, rub it in, and the bugs will avoid you. They literally do. Now, this one has kind of a woodsy scent. They have other scents also, but it's definitely easy to carry around, compact, animal free, not free. Doesn't harm your pets or your children. So it's definitely cool with that. DEET free is the word I wanted to use for free, right? And so it's safe for all these things. I definitely like it. I need to disclose that this product was sent to me at no charge. All the opinions you're hearing are my own. No one is paying for or pre-approved this review. So let's get back to it. The first time that I used it was on a camping trip. I sprayed it on my grandson and a couple other kids that was on a camping trip with it. He's a Boy Scout. And we were inside the tent and bugs were actually flying away from us. And that's when I realized this is good. It doesn't stink. It's not greasy and things like that, but it is a very good product. So I would definitely say check this one out. It is well worth it. It's safe for the family use and it's easy to apply. So you definitely want to check this one out and check out my next video.